On April 23rd, 2024, these two women are driving away from Walmart, trying to get out of town fast, but what they don't realize is that they've been spotted. A cop notices their white Chevy hatchback, described by Walmart employees, and pulls them over. Now, it's getting real.
Hello, I'm Officer of the Routes Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is, do you guys have a little incident at Walmart right now at all?
No.
You guys weren't coming from Walmart?
No, we come
Okay.
from
Okay. Do you have your driver's license? The reason I'm here is because they had a shoplifting, okay? They described a white hatchback Chevy car, kind of what you have.
Oh, okay. Well, we didn't steal nothing.
Okay. Were you up there at all?
No.
Okay.
The officer approaches the car, and you can feel the tension. He asks, "Were you at Walmart just now?" And of course, they both deny it. The officer asks again, "Are you sure?" Because the car you're driving, it matches the one reported from Walmart.
Can you have an ID on you, ma'am?
Yeah.
Do you have one too?
No.
You don't have one?
No.
Okay.
We don't have nothing stolen in here.
Okay. So you weren't at Walmart at all?
Yeah, we weren't. We didn't steal nothing.
Okay. Well, just because you didn't steal anything doesn't mean that's not a problem.
Okay.
Hello?
What's up, man?
Hey, Damien, this is Officer Stella. How you doing? I got the car. I got the girls. Okay. Was it the girl in the light blue dress?
Yeah, it was Hispanic female in a light blue dress and a white female wearing denim shorts and a black jacket.
With a red top?
Yeah.
Did they have a third friend with them that's kind of on the larger side?
No. They're the only two that we saw in the store. They're the only two we saw get in the vehicle.
Okay. And they were swapping barcodes and whatnot?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll be up there shortly, okay? I'm gonna detain these guys right here, and I'm gonna take them up there. I'm gonna look at that, the footage, okay? And then we'll move forward from there, all right? If you can just get all that prepared for me.
Right on.
And then, we'll address it, all right?
Yep.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Boy. Awesome.
Bye.
Take care.
Let me get this driver out. Can you step out the car for me, ma'am?
For what?
Because I'm telling you to. Step back here for me. Okay. Can you put your phone in the car?
Yeah.
Put your hands by back from your foot.
Am I getting arrested?
At this point in time, you're just detained, okay? Relax. Relax. Thank you. Hang out, okay? You want me to roll the window down?
Please.
Let's go to the front of the car for me. Okay. Go ahead and face the car for me. So I'm gonna be straight up with you. You got a warrant, okay? Let me see your hands. Put your hands behind your back for me. So you have a warrant, okay? Well, we're gonna address this Walmart incident, okay? Alright, go ahead and get in there for me. Watch your hand. There you go. Alright, hang tight, alright? Amelia, how old are you? 19. Have you ever been in trouble before?
No.
No? Okay. So this is what's going on, okay? There's an incident happened at Walmart, okay? We're gonna talk about it, okay?
Am I gonna go to jail?
Let me explain, okay? With that being said, okay, the car, because I gotta take you to Walmart, I gotta look at this footage to ensure that it's you and what happened, okay? Are you okay with her parking the car right here at one of the parking stalls and waiting until we figure out entirely what's going on?
Yeah. Can you take it to my dad?
Park it there for right now. I'll swing back through and let you know what all happens, okay? So here's what's going on, okay? I'm gonna read you something, okay? It's for me to talk to you. I gotta read you this, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Having read those rights, do you understand your rights?
Yeah.
Understand your rights, are you willing to talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So clearly you're at Walmart, right?
Yeah.
You guys went in there. It was just you and...
Can I pay for all the stuff there?
Listen, it was you and Tammy, right? That went in there because she stayed in the car, right?
Well, yeah, we all went in there, and she went.
Oh, she just didn't walk with you guys.
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay. So you and Tammy kind of walked together within the store.
Yeah.
Y'all were switching barcodes on things?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I don't even know the items. What were the items that you guys were switching?
Clothes.
Clothes? Trying to just swap the clothes out for cheaper items?
Yeah.
Were you guys going to pay for the items at the cheaper rate?
Yeah.
Okay.
But can I pay for all the stuff?
Let me, so here's what's happened, okay? I do have to take you to Walmart. I have to see the footage to confirm that it is you, okay? Right now, I believe it to be you, okay? We talked, I mean, clearly you were there. I'm gonna look at the footage, okay? I'm gonna talk with Walmart. They do want to press charges, okay? But if they want to work out some kind of different deal or something like that, then that's gonna be their behalf, okay? If they're like, I want to press charges, then we're gonna have to address that, how we have to address that, okay?
And how is that?
Huh?
And how would that be?
It'd either be jail or a citation, okay? So, I'm gonna have to talk with Tammy, okay?
I can pay for all the stuff.
Okay, just hang on, okay?
Now the women start to get nervous. The officer keeps pressing them. He can tell they're lying. Finally, one of them cracks. Okay, fine. We switched some barcodes, but we were going to pay for everything. It's clear. This isn't just a misunderstanding. They were trying to get away with something. Switching barcodes? That's not just a little mistake. That's theft. And the officer is starting to piece everything together. But here's where it gets even worse. While the officer is checking their IDs, he finds something else. One of the women has a warrant out for her arrest. Just when they thought things couldn't get worse, boom, it does. The officer tells them straight up, "You're under arrest." And you can tell, this hit them hard. They weren't ready for this. What started as a small theft is now taking a much darker turn.
Hey, how old are you?
18.
18? Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Sit back for me and then look that way. So for sure you have one warrant. You might also have another one. So you might have 2 warrants. Okay, but for sure you have 1 warrant. One's for failure to pay fines, and then the other one we don't know yet.
As far as I'm concerned, that's the only warrant I have. Was for her warrants, because I had talked to the judge and he said I had a 90-day thing. I paid March, and then they called me early April saying that I didn't pay, and I told them that I did, and then she told me that I would just have to talk to the judge. So that's what I was waiting on. And then,
Yeah, so that one is failure to pay fines, and then my dispatch is confirming right now to see if you have a second one out of state police, okay? So, just hang tight.
Okay, so here's what happened, okay? I'm gonna read you something, okay? So it's for me to be able to talk to you about the stuff that happened at Walmart, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand your rights?
yes.
Understanding your rights, you're willing to speak to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Clearly you guys were at Walmart. You and Amelia were in the store together, walking around, okay? Were you guys switching barcodes on clothes and stuff?
No.
No? Okay, so if I go look at the video footage, it's not gonna show that? Okay, so what were you guys doing in the store then?
Well, I have a baby shower to
Okay.
be at right now, so we're just going to look for newborn diapers and other stuff that I could possibly gift to.
Okay. And what happened with Walmart where they pretty much stopped you guys from taking whatever you guys had?
They didn't take anything. We were going to scan it. I guess, I don't know what happened. Something about pants. So the lady had said that we had only t-shirt scanned, that we didn't scan the pants. So she was like, alright, well, what about the pants? And then she was like, well, you don't have the right barcode on it. And she was like, okay. And I asked, I was like, okay, well, is there like another pair? Like, can we go get another pair and swap it out? You know, possibly get another tag. And she was like, she radioed someone, and then we were just like, it's okay, never mind. We're just gonna go.
Okay, so here's what's gonna happen, okay? We're gonna take you guys to Walmart, okay? I gotta look at this footage and confirm, one, that it's both you two, okay? And whether or not you shoplifted or not, okay? So if there's no bar switching or anything like that, or where what you're doing is reasonable in nature in terms of trying to scan the stuff, then we'll address that, okay? However, if the video does show that, you know, you're trying to switch tags, you're clearly not trying to pay for items, okay, we're gonna have to address that, okay? Alright, hang on, okay? We're gonna have to go to Walmart stuff. Okay. Yeah. Now everybody wants to be shopping. There's like 2 little ones just came out, huh?
Just one.
Only one.
Supposed shoplifting, I don't know if it's true or not.
Okay.
Well, I'm going with you, right?
Yeah, follow me.
Baby, la vida es un ciclo, y lo que no sirve yo no lo reciclo, así que de mi vida
Alright, hold on, let me hop in here and figure out what they're saying.
Now the officer's got the video footage from Walmart, and when he watches it, it's clear as day. The women weren't just switching barcodes, they were stuffing bags with items, clearly trying to walk out without paying. At this point, there's no denying it. They were caught. The officer starts asking them about the items they grabbed, and at first, they try to play it off, but they're in too deep now. They start realizing how bad this situation really is. Then, the officer tells them, "You had the money to pay for this stuff, but you chose to steal, and now you're paying for it. There's no turning back now." They're cuffed and taken to the car. One of the women still tries to say, "I'll pay for it all now," but the damage is done. They're going to jail. And honestly, they could have avoided it all if they'd just paid for the items in the first place.
Hello. I got both of them, so.
Cool.
So she notices label switched with this, the diapers are. Okay. She said she was just trying to go get stuff for a baby shower. That's really what she was talking about. Amelia, I watched the video. I saw the entire thing, right? You scan 2 items, and then you just start reaching across and putting them in the bags, okay? You weren't attempting to scan them. It's not what it looks like at all, okay? Homegirl has makeup and all kinds of stuff in the cart, okay? You give her a bag, she starts putting in that bag, never even left the cart to be attempted to scan, okay? Who put the different barcodes on the diapers?
I'm not sure.
Okay, you're not sure?
Yeah, I don't know, because we're just grabbing things.
You're just grabbing things? Okay.
Yeah, those diapers are for,
So for a baby shower?
yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you this, okay? You have the money to pay for the items,
Yeah.
but why are we trying to get a fast one in Walmart?
I don't know.
Like, why?
I don't know. Just,
You see what I'm saying? Like, if you have the money to take care of your business, right, is it worth all this trouble we're in right now?
No.
You got the cops involved, you could have just bought your stuff and been on your way to this baby shower. I'm sure that's where you're going to, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but now we're here, and we got the cops involved with something that you could have paid for.
can I pay for it all now?
I can pop in there and talk with them. If they decline that, then that's going to be their decision. Okay, I'll ask them. Okay, I'll ask them if they're okay with that. They may say no. If they say no, then we're gonna have to go the criminal route here. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. Okay, she's going to jail regardless. Okay, let me pop in your ask if they're okay with you paying for all the items or not. If they are, then cool. If not, then we're gonna address it the other way, which is the criminal way. Okay, and then that will decide what we're gonna do with you. Okay.
Okay.
I just want to let you know you do have 2 warrants for sure.
Oh.
Okay, one's out of state police for contempt of court, and then the other is out of here, magistrate court for failure to pay fines.
For
Contempt of court. So you did something that the judge didn't like, or you didn't follow his rules, whatever it was. Okay? So I just wanted to kind of keep you updated on what's going on, alright? Hang tight.
So, homegirl that was in the black, not the one in the blue dress, the other one. She's saying she's more than willing to pay for the items.
No.
Okay, that's all I had to ask. I had to ask because she's like, I have the money, I'll pay for it. I was like,
No, we never ever take that route.
okay, and that's all I need to know. So here's what's gonna happen. Okay, blue dress girl is going to jail for sure. She has warrants.
Yeah.
She's gonna go to jail for the shoplifting. Okay, I'm gonna take the other one to jail for shoplifting too.
Cool.
So they're both going to jail for shoplifting.
All right.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for the description on the car too. It was literally like a beam of light over their car. It was like Chevy hatchback white, and I'm like, okay. I'm driving down Main. I get to like Country Club on Main. Here comes this white hatchback dude, and I'm like, hell. Turn my lights on, flip, almost get hit by a random car.
Oh my god.
I'm like, dude, what are you doing, dude? He's all, I'm sorry, like waving, like saying he's sorry. I'm like, come on, man.
Alright. Alright, go and step out.
Okay, I'll go with.
Go this way. But you gotta come on this side.
You're under arrest now for shoplifting, okay? She's under arrest for the same thing and her warrant, okay? So you guys are both going to be going to jail today, okay? I'm going to stop by Brittany and let her know about the car stuff. Like I said I would, okay? I'll stop by there, let her know she can take the car to whoever, okay?
And we have court tomorrow?
What is tomorrow? Monday?
Yeah.
You'll see the judge tomorrow, okay? So the judge decides the bond and all that stuff in terms of when you get out, okay? Do you have anything in your pockets at all?
No.
Okay. Alrighty, hang on, okay? Step up for me.
So what do you think? Was it worth it? A few stolen items cost them their freedom. All for what? They could have walked out of that store with their heads held high, but now they're facing charges and possibly jail time. Let me know what you think in the comments. Was this a bad decision or just a mistake that got out of control? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crazy stories. And remember, the smallest choices can change everything. They were charged for shoplifting.